Hey Legends, Dave here. This is meant for an internal training video for the product guide for the GoTab integration. I want to show you how to set up GoTab products properly so that you get full functionality of the integration as far as inventory tracking and revenue tracking. Okay, so in product catalog, we're going to scroll down to our B30 testing items, expand that. We're going to add a product. Okay. Let's add a product name. Okay. Some of the stuff I'm going to breeze through because it's not really the point. I want to get into bulk variants versus options. But let's just do the necessaries here as you create a new item. So you have to have a base price. You have to have something written here in order to set the item up. We have to select the default station. We have to track product inventory, and we have to enable this product. Go ahead and save. We see our keg here. We're going to click this little icon here. Okay. We need to set this up with variants and bulk variants. Okay. I'll show you how that works. We're going to set up variants, add. We're going to add a modifier here. We're just going to go ahead and say this is draft sales. And then we're going to add some options here. We'll say 4-ounce pour. Let's do a 12-ounce pour. And let's do a full keg sale. We'll go ahead and save those. Once those variants are saved, by the way, there's a ticket in the GoTab to get rid of this warning, which is not a true warning. Okay. Once those are saved, we're going to go to this little, what I like to call a bunk bed icon. I'm sure it's product on a shelf. It looks like a bunk bed to me. We're going to go to variant details. We're going to toggle on bulk variants. And we're going to set the units for this. So 4-ounce pour, 4-ounce units, 12-ounce pour, 12-ounce units. Full keg sale is 1,984 ounces for that keg. Let's go ahead and set prices too. I'll just make these up for now. But these will be important when you get into your POS testing. And we'll go ahead and submit. That's all you have to do to set up this item in GoTab. Some customers might have this done a little bit differently. Let's go ahead and show you how some customers might have it set up. I'll name it something slightly different, so it won't block me from naming it the same. So I did everything the same there. But really, the difference I want to show you is that you might recall we did variants and bulk variants in this last product setup. Customers might have it set up differently currently, or they have it with options, or they add a modifier, and they'll call that modifier, let's just say draft sales, just like I did for my variant. Okay. And then they try to add options here. And then save. So if they send you a screenshot or something, if they're asking about, why isn't my inventory tracking working correctly? If you get into a situation like that, we'll just give it a second to add these modifiers in. So if you ask them how they have it set up and they're like, well, I've got options, right? Options are not going to work. We need it to look like this with variants and not options. Options are not going to work based on the way the current integration goes. It's not going to break the integration, but it's not going to track inventory correctly. Okay, that's the current integration. All right, thanks.